Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A40 and let me show you how to enable night mode on the following device. So at first, open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick display. And now, here is the night mode icon, so simply tap on this switcher and then the darker dim will be applied. As you can see, the colors are the opposite, so you have the dark black display and white letters. You can switch it off the same way. And now you are back in the standard mode, so anytime you need to read something on your Samsung Galaxy A40 and you want your eyes to feel comfy, we truly recommend night mode activation. So that's it, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.